Hello guys, you are welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start affiliate marketing here in Nigeria for free without registering, without paying any fee. Alright, it's going to be a step-by-step process on how you can start your affiliate marketing journey without paying any fee, without registration fee. All right, and I will show you how you can also select hot selling product and start promoting via your Facebook, via your WhatsApp, and all other social media platform. All right, I tell you, this particular video is going to help you on your journey to start making money online. All right, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can start making money online. Depending on how much you want to make. All right, it will require you to be consistent, determined, and what serious minded. All right, so all of these are what you need before you can start making money off the internet. All right, so I will employ you to pay attention to everything I'm going to be telling you in this particular video training. All right, so before we begin this particular video, I would like you to know that my name is Amadin Etiosa. All right, if you come across my channel for the first time, popularly called Mr. Expert, all right, here's my YouTube channel. I have amazing videos of my YouTube channel that will teach you various things ranging from how to make money online, acquire digital skills, and how you can also promote your business of the internet via Facebook and other platforms rather. All right, so all you need to do is to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever quality videos like this is posted. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive into this particular training. All right, so the site I will be introducing you to is what is called Stake Court. All right, it's called Stake Court. Stake Court is a platform that allows you to promote, to register for free without paying a single dime. All right, so this is the Stake Court. All right, it's called STAKECUT. All right, stakecourt.com. All right, so once you come to this particular platform, you can see it says claim your free account. All right, claim your free account. So all you need to do once you come to this particular platform is click on this sign up here. You can see sign up. So you click on sign up. Then once you click on sign up, so you put in your name. All right, this is a legit hustle, it's a legit business. So you need to put in your real name, your real your first name, your last name, your email, and what a password. Right. All right, so you put in your real email. Right, it's very important because a code and everything will be sent to your email, so you need to verify those information. All right, that's the reason why you need to put in your real email, your real name, and every other thing, because this is a legit hustle. All right, it's a legit hustle. All right, so once your account is created and successful, so you will log in, this site to appear. Or I can see this is mine, so you log into this account like this. As you can see, my name is showing at the top here. All right, so all of these are the things you're going to see: affiliate dashboard, recent sales, marketplace, top affiliate, and contest. All right, so now let me explain all of this to you. The moment you sign up, you have your affiliate dashboard. All right, so on your affiliate dashboard, you will see the number of sales you are making and the rest things you see there. All right, so that's for the affiliate dashboard. Now moving away from there, you have your recent sales. As you are making your sales, it will be appearing. Now this is it. So let me show you recent sales. Right, you can see it's loading. So for now, there's no recent sale on my dashboard. All right, there's no recent sale because these are the product I'm promoting. They have not been approved. All right, can you see the status is pending? Right, they have not been approved. So once it's approved, I can start promoting the product. All right, so that is what you have there. Now you have your marketplace, because every product you request to promote, they will be all be showing here. All right, and as you are making your sale, you can see amount in, amount in. All right, so you also see the status active, active. All right, so once you request for it and is approved, it will be active, and how much you are earning will also be showing here. And this is how much the product is sold. All right, you can see that this is how much the product is sold. Now moving away from there, you have your marketplace. Okay, you have your marketplace. This is marketplace. A marketplace is where all the products on all affiliate products are listed. Right, all affiliate products are listed, and currently these are the top three products. Right, these are the top selling product, top three selling products. Now the number one is SKBM. Now you can we're going to check this product one after the other. Then the second one is called affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Then you have what is called affiliate beginners course, ABC, affiliate beginner course. Now let's look at this product one after. These are the top um product of the day, the top product of the day. They have different product per day. Right, then you have hot selling product. You can see other hot selling product of the day. Hot selling product. Now, the number one is what is called You can see number one there, affiliate marketing for beginners, the one I showed to you, Clement Udo, right? You can see the percentage is, the price is $5, let's just say $6, and the commission is 74% commission. Okay. Then you have what is called the Stellar Publishing Guide. This is Amazon KDP kind of Amazon KDP, and it's selling for, let's say, $21. All right, and the commission is 50% commission, meaning that for every sale you make, you get half of the payment. You get half of the payment. Then you have what is called affiliate marketing accelerator program, all right, and it's cost $25. So for every sale you make on this particular course, you get 50% commission. 50% commission. All right, so you have all of that. They also have other products like affiliate income pilot blueprint, right? You have lucrative e-commerce for those of you that are interested in selling e-commerce course. This is also an e-commerce course. You have what is called ultimate affiliate program. You have that. You have ghostwriting. You can see that you have ghostwriting. This is cost $18. All right, it's $18. Right, so these are various products, and you can see that they are all free. To register on this platform is free. You're not paying anything, you're not paying a single dime for this particular period. Now, if you come here after going through all this product, because as you can see, they are all selling products, they are hot selling products. You can see video content workshop for those of you that are interested in promoting video that has promoting content that has to do with videos. Right, you can also create you can start selling this particular course, because currently video is what is selling right now. All right, the video is what is selling. So if you are interested in that, you can come here and learn it. All right, you can do that. You can also see other courses too. Income generating income generator, you have ultimate income generator, you have other program too, affiliate mastery, affiliate marketing mastery. You can see there are so many courses. I say forest, you have it there. Full pack smartphone video editing course, right? You also have that selling for $5, and for every sale you make, you get $2.5. That's about a 50% commission. You can also see how to relocate to Indonesia as a teacher for free. You can see that course there. Crypto profit kit. All right, you can see that it's selling for $100, and for every sale you make, you get $50. All right, for every sale you make, that's 50% commission. You can still see other courses, digital income blueprint, and many other courses, many other amazing courses. And you can see that it's not just about this. You can still see other number that there are many courses. Now, if after going through all this, you see a particular course that interests you, all right, all you need to do is to click on, let's say, after going through all this course, now I'm interested in promoting this smartphone. Where is it? Where is the smartphone? All right, so if after going through all these courses now, I'm interested in promoting this full pack smartphone video editing course, I'm interested in this, I'll just click on promote. All right, I'll click on it, promote. So once I click on promote, every other information I need, all right, will be shown to me. The first one is I will see the course vendor, that's the owner of the course, which is Emmanuel Robert, and is selling this product for $5. And the commission I get is 50% commission, meaning that if I'm able to sell this product, I get $2.5. Are you getting now? $2.5. That's the commission for that. All right. So now, moving away from there, you have what is called um JV page, and you have a payment page. So I'm going to show you all this one after the other. All right, so once you click on this now, you can see this. If I click on this JV page, all right, I'll click on JV page to see what's there. All right, you can also see the payment page, and you can see the sales page. All these are materials you need to promote the product. All right, all these are materials you need. This is the JV page, things you need to know about promoting the page. All right, about promoting the product rather. All right, that's for the JV page. Then you have the payment page. Let me also open that for you. Then you have the sales page. All right, so I'll explain all of these pages, because all the things you need to promote, they are all here. All right, so this is your affiliate link. All right, this is your affiliate link for those of you that are promoting it. If you the moment you register to promote this product now, this is your affiliate link, and these are the link you're going to be sending to anybody that wants to register. All right, so this is the affiliate link. Okay, and there are other bonuses too, so you can click here to add bonus if you want to add. All right, you can see the vendor information. Right now, let's look at the so the page has been the account has been suspended. Right, for the landing page has been suspended. So let's look at these two, and let's go back and pick another product. All right, let's pick on that product. I think this one is Let's go to the marketplace again. All right, so let's pick a different product. All right, so let's go with this. Let me click on this. All right, so let me just close all these other ones. All right, so let me just close this. Good. So this is the price for this product, $25, and is the commission is 50% commission. Now let's look at the JV page. Let's look at the payment page, and let's also look at the sales page. All right, let's look at these three pages to see what is there. All right, so this is the material you need. All right, all the material, the graphics, all right, the content to promote the product, they are all inside this JV page. All right, this JV page, they are all inside there. All right, this JV page contains the material to promote this product. All right, then moving away from there, you have the payment page. This is the payment page. So if anybody want to register, you put their name, their phone number, their email, and their country. Then you can go ahead and make the payment for anybody that want to register for this particular course. All right, then you have what is called the sales page. The sales page contains everything you need to know about this particular course. Right, everything you need to know about this course. Right, ranging from, now look at what you have here. It says dominating the Nigeria internet marketing space, making 400, 500K or a million and more using a map. All right, so you want to be making up to this amount, so you need to understand what you are into. So before you can start promoting anything at all, you must understand the content, and you must understand the content of what you are promoting, so that in case you are asked a question, this thing you are promoting, how will it benefit me? Then you have something to say. All right, so that's what you have here. You can see that now this particular person, now if you are you say how he and his student have been dominating the Nigerian internet marketing space, making 400K, 500K, and a million or more monthly using AMAP. Now these are all the things you have there. All right, it's a business I started with my school fees and my life savings went bankrupt. Now you can see all of this. All right, these are some of the challenges people are going through. You see, and after the first month, I got paid $15, blah blah. Okay, you can see everything in this content. All right, you can see everything in this content. All right, how he was able to move from a nobody to somebody to someone great. All right, so you can see all of that in this course, and how you too can also begin this journey employ everything he has on playing all the strategy. All right, so you can also do the same thing. So when someone comes to you and asks you a question relating to this, you can say something meaningful. Right, that's the essence of this sales page you are seeing here. So if you are promoting this course now, first of all, going through this sales page, you already understand what this course is all about. All right, so once you understand that, and your this is the graphics. All right, this is the graphics. I just network is bad, so everything you need to, well, the graphics, they are all inside this JV page. Every of them have it right inside the JV page. So from there, you can get your pictures, your videos. You can start using it to promote, posting on your Facebook, posting on your WhatsApp and other social media platform, talking about how you can make money online, talking about how you can promote your business online. All right, so this is a program that is free without paying anything, right? Without paying a single dime, and you can begin making your money off the internet. All right, so this is all you need to do. Like I said before, click on the link, sign up on this platform, and select the product, and go ahead and start dominating the internet space, making up to 400K, 100K, 50K, and 200K, as the case may be, of the internet. All right. Thank you if you have stayed to the end of this video. And if you need more clarity and if you are confused about anything, drop in the comment section. Always reach out to me. My number is in the description of this video, and I'll be glad to help you achieve what you desire. All right. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.